Hey, I'm Dionysios from buycompany.com. I have already signed into my WordPress interface. To do that, you just need to add wp-admin after your website, choose the username and password, and then move on. On the left, I see the section Posts. I will choose Add New. I just want to mention that I use 2021 theme. This is the default one from WordPress. Here, type the title, and then everything in WordPress is divided in blocks. Blocks for paragraphs, for headings, and so many more. You can see here the options, you can add quotes, tables, buttons, you can actually do so many things. This is from a plugin, so ignore that. And this is also the ideal way to insert links from another website like Twitter. Now, let's start with a heading. You can see here the difference between heading and normal paragraph. Heading is more bold, and for SEO purposes and better presentation, it is good to use headings. SEO means search engine optimization for websites like Google, Bing, etc. Now here I can choose another block. I can add an image from my media library or directly from my computer. I can make it smaller, bigger. I can add a link. I can align here the image or the text. I can even add the link to words if I just want my affiliate link, for example. I can choose if I want to redirect to a new tab. Here up right I can choose if I want to bold the text, if I want to be like that. Let's try some. Here's how quotes look like. Now, here up right, I have that symbol, settings. When I click it, the bar disappears and then reappears. Here you can add your post in certain categories, or you can even add new ones. Very important, you can set a feature image. This will be in the top of your post. You can even use tags, but I don't really use them. If you want to edit the code, you can click these three dots, edit as HTML, then again the three codes, edit visually. If you want to save but you don't want to publish your post, you click Save Draft. Then you can preview here, preview a new tab. You see how things look like. For now, let's see the other options here. You can publish your post in a later stage. You can choose post format. Let's see gallery. Let's see the difference. I don't see the difference, to be honest. I always use standard. Here you can see my tags and the category. Let's switch to standard. I don't see significant changes. Here you can write some few words for your post. You will familiarize yourself in time, don't worry, and things sometimes are a bit different based on your theme. Let's see another options here. Strike through. You can change text color. Nice. You can change the block type here. You can experiment with all of that. But your main things you need to know is future image, title, the type of headings, and how you can add images, and also that you can preview your results. Now let's publish. Now we can see the post. It's live in our site. Now if I want to change the permalink, for example, I need to know to do that before it gets published. That test post, you can do it if you want to put some certain keywords. Let's see, a new tab, I change it. This is how people can see my post. Now, you can also choose where you will show your post. Here on the left, settings, reading. Now, you can choose your home page to be your latest post. You can choose your home page to be another page. For example, where you have your products. You can choose how many posts you can see in one page. You can choose if you want to show just one summary of your post or full text. Search engine visibility, don't choose that because this will hide your website from Google. I have chosen my homepage to be my post. It's better to choose summary than full text. Okay, that's all from me. Leave a comment below if you want to find out something more for WordPress posts. I just did a quick presentation and I didn't go in depth. Bye!